If you want to learn how to use a Shiraz gin in a cocktail, keep watching on Let's Talk Drinks. Hi everybody, so today I'm going to make a cocktail and it is a gin sour, but I'm going to do a little bit of a twist on a gin sour and I'm going to use a Shiraz gin. Okay, now I was lucky enough to call into the Seppeltsfield Road Distillery pre-COVID, so we're talking about 2019, and at the time I was working for Paramount Liquor as a spirit specialist. I was working that day with Kelly, who was one of the other people that I work with at Paramount Liquor, and we went into the Seppeltsfield Road Distillery, tried it, and I kind of fell in love with their gins. Now, it's really weird, it's synchronicity, whatever you want to call it, but she now works for the Seppeltsfield Road Distillery, and she sent me some samples, so keep an eye out. I'm going to be doing some really good reviews on these gins, and I really like this Barossa Shiraz gin. So, the first ingredient, obviously, is this delicious Shiraz gin. I love the vibrant color, by the way. I'm going to do 60 mils or 2 ounces of this. For all my international viewers, if you haven't tried a Shiraz gin, try to get online and try it. They are amazing. Now, the second ingredient that I'm going to use is 30 mils or 1 ounce of lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Now, normally it would call for 15 mils of sugar syrup, but I have a feeling that it might be sweet enough already, so I'll give it a try first. So always check your drinks beforehand. I think I can get away with about 10 mils. Glad I checked that, or 1/3 of an ounce. All right, for our foaming agent, I'm going to use 20 mils, 2/3 of an ounce of Aqua faba. It's the vegan alternative. It is butterbean juice. If you want to, you can use an egg white as well. And I'm going to shake and dump this drink. So for those of you at home, really easy to make. You'll see what I'm talking about. Really want to get that Aqua faba frothing up. All right. You know what? I'm just going to dump it straight in there so it's easier for you guys at home. Look at that beautiful, vibrant color. I think I'm going to do a lemon twist over the top. Just get those oils in there. Oh, and this is a Seppeltsfield Road Shiraz Gin Sour. Cheers. Chewing on some ice, I'm sorry. Wow, that's delicious. Kind of reminds me a little bit of a New York sour. Let's try it again. Yum, 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 yum. Really good stuff here. I'm going to look at the alcohol percentage. 38.5% alcohol. Thumbs up for this. Get out there, give it a try. Make this cocktail, you'll love it at home. This is perfect, I think, for your friends that might come around. You're drinking a few glasses of wine and they're not really into cocktails. It's a good gateway to get somebody who's a red wine drinker into cocktails. This is what I would use. Guys, woo! Delicious. See you again soon. Please like, subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you again soon on Let's Talk Drinks.